A rumor circulating in Japan is that Honda may be replacing the CB1100 with a new motorcycle model. The bike in question is the much-talked-about Hawk, seen here in a picture provided by Japanese automotive media outlet Young Machine. According to the report, Honda will use the CRF 1100L parallel twin engine that also powers the Africa Twin, Rebel 1100, and NT 1100. The name carried by the Japanese company is actually taken from Honda motorcycles of the past, specifically the 1977 CB400T, which also carried a parallel twin engine and was known as the Hawk in some parts of the world. The new Honda model has been registered with the Japanese Patent Office. It is a classic motorcycle with an engine and frame derived from the current 1100 Rebel. The current four-cylinder CB1100 was introduced in 2007, sold in Europe since 2011, also arriving in Japan in its final edition, which has not been updated to Euro 5 emission standards. According to rumors, this new version could be based on the Africa Twin 1100 engine, a 1084cc Unicam twin that has been used in the CMX 1100 Rebel and the current NT 1100 touring car. With 102 horsepower, this bike would be more powerful than the four-cylinder CB1100 and would also offer a DCT transmission. Patent images show a heritage-style model with a raised exhaust in line with the Scrambler setup. The tubular steel frame with double-open cradle construction seems to be a faithful copy of the 1100 Rebel, modified at the rear due to the different profile and the different height of the motorcycle. It is still uncertain when the new Hawk will appear, but a report in Japan suggests that the bike will be revealed at two separate locations, one in Osaka and then at the Tokyo Motorcycle Show.